Unit 4 Laplace transforms. Outline of this video lecture 2 is first shifting theorem and properties of Laplace transform. First shifting theorem. If L of f of t is equal to capital F of s, then L of e power at into f of t is equal to capital F of s, where s tends to s minus a. Similarly, L of e power minus at into f of t is equal to capital F of s, where s tends to s plus a. Problems based on first shifting theorem, L of e power 2t cos 5t. Now we are going to find the Laplace transform of cos 5t is equal to s divided by s square plus 25, and L of e power 2t into cos 5t is equal to, we are going to replace s tends to s minus 2 because the coefficient of t in exponential is 2. So we are getting the answer s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 the whole square plus 25. Next problem, L of e power minus at into sin bt. First we are going to find the Laplace transform for sin bt is equal to b divided by s square plus b square, and L of e power minus at into sin bt is equal to, we are going to replace it by s tends to s plus a. So we are getting the answer b divided by s plus a the whole square plus b square. And the next problem, find the Laplace transform of e power minus t 3 into sin h2t minus 5 into cos h2t. First we are going to find the Laplace transform of 3 into sin h2t minus 5 into cos h2t is equal to 3 into 2 divided by s square minus 4. It can be written as 6 divided by s square minus 4 minus 5 into s divided by s square minus 4. Now we are taking the LCM. We are getting 6 minus 5s divided by s square minus 4. And the Laplace transform of e power minus t 3 sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t is equal to 6 minus 5s divided by s square minus 4, and we are replacing s tends to s plus 1. So we are getting the answer 6 minus 5 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 the whole square minus 4. After simplifying the term, we are getting minus 5s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s minus 3. And the next property, divisible by t form. If L of f of t divided by t is equal to integration s to infinity capital F of s ds, and multiple by t form, L of t power n into f of t is equal to minus 1 power n d power n divided by ds power n into capital F of s. Problem 1, L of t into sin 2t. So we can remember easily, if we have a t with multiplication, we have to do with differentiation. In case t with division, we have to do integration. First, we are going to find the Laplace transform of sin 2t is equal to 2 divided by s square plus 4. By the property, L of t into sin 2t is equal to minus d by ds 2 divided by s square plus 4. We are going to differentiate the term with respect to s by using u by v rule formula. Differentiation of u by v is equal to, we have to square the denominator v square and v into u dash minus u into v dash. So we are squaring the denominator s square plus 4 the whole square and keeping s square plus 4, and the differentiation of 2 with respect to s is a 0. So that's why we are putting a 0, and minus 2 into differentiation of s square will be a 2s. So final answer is minus of minus will become a plus. We are getting 4s divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. Problem number 2. Compute L of t square into e power minus 3t. L of t square into f of t is equal to minus 1 the whole square d square by ds square into capital F of s. First, we are going to find the Laplace transform of e power minus 3t is a 1 by s plus 3, and we are going to differentiate it twice with respect to s for the term 1 by s plus 3. Again, we are going to use the u by v rule. D by ds of 1 by s plus 3 is a minus 1 divided by s plus 3 the whole square. And again, differentiation of minus 1 divided by s plus 3 the whole square. We are keeping s, we have to square the denominator. So it will become a s plus 3 the whole power 4. And the numerator, differentiation of minus 1 will be 0. And the differentiation of the denominator will be a 2 into s plus 3. So the final answer is 2 into 2 divided by s plus 3 the whole cube. Problem number 3. Find L of t into e power minus 2t sine 2t. First, we are going to find the Laplace transform of sine 2t. After that, we are going to using shifting theorem for e power minus 2t, and we are going to differentiate for the term t. In this problem, we are using two properties to find the Laplace transform. First, we are going to find the L of sine 2t is a 2 divided by s square plus 4, and then we are going to replace it by s tends to s plus 2. Here the t power is a 1, so we are having minus d by ds. So minus d by ds of 2 divided by s plus 2 the whole square plus 4. As usual, we are going to using u by v rule. First, we are going to square the denominator, s square, s plus 2 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. First term becomes 0, minus 2 into s plus 2, and then minus of minus will become a plus. That for the final answer, 4 into s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. Find Laplace transform of 1 minus e power t divided by t. If t with multiplication, we have to do differentiation. If t is in the denominator, we have to integrate with respect to s in the interval s to infinity. So L of 1 minus e power t divided by t is equal to integration s to infinity. It's enough to find the Laplace transform only for the numerator. So L of 1 minus e power t ds. So we know that L of 1 is a 1 by s and L of e power t is a 1 by s minus 1. We have to integrate in the interval s to infinity. ds by s will become a log s. ds by s minus 1 become a log of s minus 1 in the interval s to infinity. Here we cannot apply the limit directly, because if I put log infinitive, the whole value will become infinitive. So we are going to use logarithmic property. After that only we are going to apply the limit. We know the logarithmic result, log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. The same thing I am going to written here, log of s divided by s minus 1 in the interval s to infinity. Now we are going to cancel the s in the numerator and the denominator. So the denominator becomes 1 minus 1 by s. So we can now if I apply the limit, 1 minus 1 by infinity becomes 0. So the upper limit will be a log 1 minus the lower limit will be a minus log of 1 by 1 minus 1 by s. So again we are taking the LCM and simplifying, we are getting the result log of s by s minus 1 whole power minus 1. By logarithmic property, we can write log of s minus 1 divided by s. Problem number 5. Compute L of sine 4t divided by t. So here also we are having t with division. So we are going to integrate in the interval s to infinity for L of sine 4t ds. L of sine 4t is a 4 divided by s square plus 16 into ds. This is a formula for integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here a is a 4. So 4 into 1 by 4 tan inverse of s by 4 in the interval s to infinity. Here, while applying the upper limit, I will get a tan inverse of infinity minus the lower limit tan inverse of s by 4. So we know that tan inverse of infinity is of pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s by 4. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s by 4 can be written as cot inverse of s by 4 by using trigonometric result. Next problem, find the Laplace transform of cos t minus cos 2t divided by t. First, we are going to find the Laplace transform for the numerator. So I will get s by s square plus 1 minus s by s square plus 4. So divided by t, we are going to integrate in the interval s to infinity. So we are getting s by s square plus 1 minus s by s square plus 4 ds. So the integration value will become 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 4. Again, by the logarithmic, we cannot apply the limit directly. We are going to use logarithmic result. Log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b in the interval s to infinity. Now we are going to take s square is a common and then we are going to cancel. So I will get log of 1 plus 1 by s square divided by 1 plus 4 by s square. If I apply the upper limit, I will get log 1 minus log of 1 plus 1 by s square divided by 1 plus 4 by s square. Log 1 value is a 0 minus log of 1 plus 1 by s square divided by 1 plus 4 by s square. We are going to take the LCM and then we will get minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1 divided by s square plus 4. By using logarithmic property, we can write 1 by 2 log of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 1. These are the problems to practice. First problem, L of t into e power t cos 2t. Here we are having three different functions. One is a trigonometric, another one is exponential, another one is algebraic function. So here we have to use two properties. If for e power, we have to find the Laplace transform for cos 2t, and instead of e power t, we have to use shifting theorem, and t, we have to use differentiate. Second problem also similar. Third problem, L of sin square t divided by t. Here we cannot find the Laplace transform for sin square t directly. So we have to use the trigonometric formula 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. After that only we can take the Laplace transform. And the fourth one, we can find the Laplace transform directly for the numerator term. Thank you.